This short video explains what software licensing is and why it's important for software providers. It's the first in a series of videos that are designed to help people get started with Inishtech, so let's get started. If you build software that will be used by others, then you need to decide how you will license it. So what is meant by the term software license? A software license is a legal instrument that governs the use and distribution of the software. In other words, it's about who gets what. The main function of a license is to protect the rights of the owner of the software by controlling the rights of the user of the software. It's important to note this distinction. A license does not confer ownership but merely bestows on the user certain entitlements to that software. From the perspective of the software owner, licensing can be a powerful tool for business growth. This is because it enables you to perform certain software management tasks much more effectively. Let's look at each of these tasks in turn. First and foremost, licensing allows you to manage who gets what. From initial trials through to end of life, licensing plays a part across the entire software lifecycle. Good license management not only boosts revenue, it teaches you about your customers, brings you closer to them, and improves your relationship with them. The second thing which licensing enables is dynamic packaging. Typically, the software development team will not just build the software, they will also configure and package up all of the different versions for selling. This approach creates two problems. Firstly, packaging should be a task that's led by a market-facing team who are in tune with market demand. If it's done by the development team, you become much less agile and less responsive. Secondly, it's not scalable. As you grow, the number of versions, SKUs, and editions grows with you, and it becomes a massive technical overhead. What licensing does is change this to being a product management task. Now you have the ability to configure and package on demand in the licensing system. This is really powerful, and in the world of SaaS, it's a real benefit because it means you can offer service level choice and differentiation even in a one-size-fits-all multi-tenant application. The benefits are substantial, which is why dynamic packaging is often a key driver for many looking to improve their licensing. Licensing also enables you to enforce your preferred business model within your software application. You can decide on your software usage policies based on any combination of entitlements and usage limitations. This enables flexibility and choice both for you and for your customer in terms of delivery, deployment, payment, and licensing model. Protecting your software code from external threat is also really important for the software provider, who will have valuable IP tied up in their application. Proper protection will dramatically reduce the risk of piracy, tampering, and misuse. The commercial impact can be significant, not only in foiling those with malicious intent, but in keeping good customers compliant. The fifth and final point is that licensing enables insight. It allows you to better understand who your customers are, what they've bought, and how they are using it. It's a powerful source of intelligence, and it can benefit sales, marketing, customer service, and the development team. To recap, these are the 5 ways that licensing can help build a software business. Collectively, they help to realize your software's true potential in the marketplace. So, now you know what software licensing is, what it does, why it's important. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next video in the series, which is called Software Licensing Basic Concepts.